In today's video, I am going to teach you how to create a Systemat.io community. To begin, log into your Systemat.io dashboard. Once you are inside your account, take a moment to make sure you are on the main dashboard area so you can easily access the navigation menu at the top of the screen. This is where you will find the tools needed to set up your community. Next, click on the Assets tab in the top navigation menu. When the drop-down menu appears, select Communities. This will take you to the section where all community spaces are managed. If this is your first time creating one, the page may look empty at first, and that is completely normal. From there, look to the top right corner and click the Create button. This opens the community setup process and allows you to enter the basic details for your new space. The first thing you will need to do is enter your community name. Choose a name that clearly reflects the purpose or topic of your community, since this will help members recognize it right away. After naming the community, choose a unique domain and set your custom URL path. This part is important because it determines the web address people will use to access your community. Try to keep it simple, relevant, and easy to remember. A clean URL can make your community look more professional and easier to share. You will also see an option for automatic post approval, which you can either enable or disable. If you enable it, posts from members can appear automatically without needing manual review first. If you disable it, you will be able to review posts before they go live. The right choice depends on how much control you want over the content being shared inside your community. Once all of these settings are in place, click Save. This will create your community space and make it available inside your Systemat.io account. After saving, you can continue customizing and managing it from the Communities section. That is the full process for creating a Systemat.io community. As long as you follow these settings carefully, you will have your community space ready in just a few moments. That covers everything you need to know.